Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about more than 30 tools for the research students that every research student should know about these tools and stuff. So before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start the video. In this video I will discuss about some of the databases, some of the AI tools, and some of the relevant stuffs to the publications, right? So the first thing I would like to talk about is the databases. So whenever you want to collect data for writing the research papers, like the review paper or something like that, right? So normally we are using the Google Scholar, where you can find out lots of papers. Suppose I search the Haber shop, right? So you can find lots of stuff related to your research topic. The next thing, if you go down some of the keywords like hybrid flow shop, and then I quote the cost, right? So I will just find out the papers related to these quoted keywords. You can apply the filters. Only you will get papers in this range. The next database is the Scopus. Same as like the Google Scholar, but Scopus index papers are a bit high quality papers. So if you search for the hybrid flow shop, you will get a list of papers where you can play around with the relevant papers. If you need the cited by highest, so you will see the papers which are highly cited in this research field. You can apply the filter from 2010 to 2023, for example. Also, you can apply multiple filters related to subject area, document type, and language. Also, you can target some of the specific keywords too. You can also analyze the results. Based on the search documents, you can see, and you can even make help of these analysis to write the review paper as well. The next database is the Web of Science, where you can find the list of journals. You need to click on this link, where you can search for the journals. For example, I just want to look for a journal of the Journal of Production Economics. I will search for. So this is index in the Web of Science, right? If you see and go for the profile page, so you can navigate for different kinds of the specifications about this journal. Web of Science is a very good indexed publications. It has a very good publications. The next one is the ScienceDirect. The same like the database, find article with the terms. For example, I search for this and I will just search for, where you can get a lot of stuff. This is the free access. You can even just go for this one, PDF. Either if you want, you can just even read the abstract, and either if you want, you can just export this data as well. If I select all of them, either you can export them, and if you want so. The next is the DOAJ, Directive of Open Access Journals, right? Where you can find the journals as well as the articles. For example, you need the journals to get published your papers, right? You need to search the related terms. For example, mechanical, and it will give you a list of the journals where you can submit your paper. And if you need the articles, also you can do that. For example, I search for the hybrid flow shop, and I will search for, it will give you all the papers in all fields, right? Where you can read online. You can also know about the journals. If you read online, you can go. You can even download this paper. If you need it to save in your PC, you can download this paper. The next one is the base. Same like you can search for the relevant stuff related to your research. If you go for the habit flow shop, okay, so here you can refine the search results. You can also go for the relevance, author, date publication, descending and ascending order, and there are some other filter options, right? If you want to go for this paper, you can either go search for the papers, and either you can just download it and read it out. So this is also the best database website where you can just visit and find the relevant stuff. This is also another database, PubMed. You can also find some of the relevant publications, and you can see this is the free article. It's mean everyone can access and everyone can read this, right? These are the relevant authors. Same like Scopus, you can just reduce the range, and if you want, we just drag this from 2007 onward, maybe 2018 and 2024. You can also do that if you click on the link. So you can go, you can either cite this paper, and you can also even read the abstract. Okay, so this is how you can use this website.